Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Tradovate account using the latest funding methods. So first of all, you need to simply come here on tradovate.com. Now over here, click on or hover over to the application settings option on the top right hand corner and simply click on it. Now over here, it is going to show you the account that you are currently using. So most probably you can find the add funds option over here. So you can click on that and proceed with the deposit method. If not, you will find that option here inside the transfers and the payment section. So you need to simply click on that and simply select the option of fund account. Afterwards, you need to select the funding method that you want to use. So Tradovate supports ACH bank transfer, debit card, credit card, wireless transfers in the eligible regions only. You will also find the Apple Pay and the Google Pay via debit card funding. So you need to simply choose the payment method that works best for you and follow further on-screen instructions. You need to type the amount that you would like to deposit and then you need to simply confirm the transaction. For ACH and debit card deposits, the current limit is up to $5,000 per transaction and the payment method must be in your own name. If you are using ACH, you will securely connect your bank account through Blade, and after submitting your deposit you can track its status from the transfers and the payment section only. So wire transfers are typically credited in one business day after they are received, while ACH and the debit card deposits may take up to 3 business days in order to become available for trading. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.